Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This first video of 2023 is focused on my driving robot Discovery, entirely made of fischertechnik, equipped with 2 front sensors, active sonar and a camera, powered by 2 battery packs. The scope of this video is to go further on separating the yellow color from the image taken by the camera and add some user interaction into the coder so I can distinguish between red and yellow of the user's choice. And to do that and to show you, I will switch to screencast. And when I have this screencast, I had a problem with connecting, and after quite a few minutes on checking the connection in the sense of am I using the right IP address, 133 against 134, it turned out to be 133 again, but there's a switch in between and an access point, and the connection to the access point didn't work. So after solving that, I can finally access this controller, set the date right, which turned out to be 1.5 months since I've used this robot for a video. Anyway, let's see if this is working out somehow, if it is still running. And what's equally important, the voltage. And at this moment it says nothing, so I should put over one switch and another one, and then I get some voltages which are 8987, which are okay so far. Run. And yes, I haven't done anything to the algorithm yet, but this is just to see if things will still work out. And this is of course rather slow. And there it goes. Something not quite right apparently, but file name gray is not defined. Alright. So I'll just go for this one, and it has a nice red color separation, and I want to get a yellow one being for another part of this one. And I recall that I did it last time and it was all black, so the color separation doesn't work yet, not as I intend to. Anyway, time to go to the source coder and see whatever is wrong. And file name gray turns out to be applied with the command, so I remove that command, save the file, and I continue. Hopefully it goes well this time. Of course I have to wait, and that is something I don't like. It has been bothering me for quite a few years now, that screen reset, and it's unsolvable apparently. And yeah, that was what I was looking for. a bump, etc. So let's get into the data. And right till the end it says contact 1 after distance 11, etc. All very nice. Nice things to see. Anyway, now back to the color yellow. And for that I have to enlarge the screen, or the terminal anyway, and I have somewhere yellow, or should have. And I think I did this with the walking robot first, so I have to start over with everything adding yellow. Let's figure out how I did that. So I have this image and the location where yellow should be. However, which values to probe? I open in Darktable and I want to probe right here. And it's all fuzzy, of course. Well, not of course, but it's all fuzzy. And one thing that bothers me now is if I have this trajectory of 60 centimeters or more and I approach the object with a manually focusable camera, it's not automated in any way, is that of influence of the color? I hope not. So here we have this one, and I take another sample right here and another sample perhaps here. It's all yellow, but very different values. Let me take one here. Also very different. This one is then more or less the same. This one almost, and this is very different. So I have to make sure that these values are represented in the code, and that may not be that easy. Is there another way to get all values? Yes, I made a program a long time ago, maybe it's still there, with which I can also find the values, but let's stick with this one. And also I have to include user interaction somewhere here. Which one goes first? So now I have introduced user interaction. First defining color choice, kleurkeuze in Dutch. And yes, this is color and kleur, which means exactly the same, red or yellow. And then in the opposite order, keuze versus choice. And then if R is chosen, then it goes for red, and if yellow is chosen, nothing yet. No, it's. I haven't tried it yet, so let's do that. Invalid syntax. Yes, because this has to be a double equal to. So that's correct. Hopefully it's correct now. So far so good. Oh, and then it will be very nice if I even have the robot put in a different location. Color, well, let's say red. And finally it comes with some action. And I go for yellow. And it indeed says nothing yet. So the interaction works. And I'm happy with that. Now for the color, which is a very different idea after all. So next what I have done is taken these values and put them here in the yellow choice option. So copied this line and changed red into yellow, and then filled in the lowest values, 208, 168 and 127 and 231, 179 and 134. And these are picked color values, which does not mean that they are values that are actually going to work, because these values for red are much further apart. So if I take that other program, which I still have to find back, it may be that the values are going to be very different. I would not be surprised. And then mask I have to change, because this is based on red. So I have to pick a very different name as well, which I did for the walking robot, but not for this one yet. So how is it going to work out? I'm not quite sure. But we'll see. And the final result for now is that I have result yellow. I have file name result yellow to make it well, usable file name. Alright, and a call which copies it then to the computer. Given the voltage that I am now reading from the battery packs, I have my doubts on how it ends up. It may be go dead, but let's find anyway. It still connects, so that's a good thing. Timeout. I think that is because of the power, but let's try again. Red. Nope. Reference before assignment. That's in line 95. Alright, let's see. Oh, it doesn't do that. Too bad. But this isn't 59 anyway. Before assignment. That's not correct. That is not true. Mask yellow. Up yellow's here. Right. Something going wrong right here. Oh, I think I know. Because it only assigns it when the color is yellow. I have to push all this, all the red and yellow stuff, to their respective if conditions, and then things will be a lot better. But that, I guess, maybe for next time, given the power situation of the robot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the bell for notification. And please leave a comment or suggestion. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website for more interesting projects on the fischertechnik and other elements. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.